Every day, thousands of ships, planes, and trucks transport freight around the world. But did you realize that about 40% of their transportation capacity is empty space? Freight loading plans are traditionally done without any help from digitalization, requiring a lot of effort and time to achieve only 60% of their capacity in use. Empty space leads to the need for additional trips, increased cost of transportation, higher fuel consumption, and higher environmental damage. The freight transportation industry needs more intelligent solutions for cost-efficient deliveries. What if we reduce the amount of empty space by up to 30%? boxbot is a cloud-based software developed to help the logistics industry increase cargo flexibility and optimize cargo space usage. By including powerful algorithms for 3D loading, it saves time in loading and unloading cargo with multiple sizes. Labor and transportation costs are significantly reduced as well. Last but not least, boxbot allows customers to handle last-minute changes in load planning operations. Are you looking for more than a powerful cargo space optimization solution? boxbot provides additional benefits to its customers and society in general. It provides environmental conscious services, saving 100 million euros in fuel each year in sea transportation in Finland alone. Global greenhouse gas emissions are drastically reduced. boxbot, the cloud-based platform that increases cargo capacity and makes smart use of space for cost-efficient deliveries.